Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV is powered and online. Make sure your remote is responsive. Press Home on the remote to open the main menu, then move to the Settings gear icon. This is where Display Options live. You do this because Screensaver choices require system access and network state for some image sources. Once in Settings, make sure you select the correct TV profile if multiple users exist. That keeps changes to the right account. You now navigate deeper. Choose Display and Sound or Device Preferences. Models differ, so look for Screensaver or Ambient Mode. Once selected, you'll see sources, built-in images, Google Photos, USB, or streaming app options. Tap the source to preview choices and adjust the timer and motion settings. These determine when the screensaver starts and how it animates. Make deliberate choices. Use local images for privacy or cloud albums for rotating photos. You finish by saving your selection and setting the start delay. Try 5 minutes as a baseline, then exit settings and let the TV sit idle to confirm the screensaver appears. If you don't see it, reboot the TV and recheck network or app permissions. Cloud albums need account access. Make sure firmware is up to date and test with a USB image to isolate network issues. One key tip: rebooting often clears transient permission or cache errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.